बेटा आज का हमारा प्रैक्टिकल है हाउ कैन वी टेस्ट अल्कोहल्स इन द गिवन कंपाउंड। अल्कोहल्स क्या होते हैं? जब किसी हाइड्रोकार्बन में अगर एक हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी जो है कार्बन की वो OH से रिप्लेस हो जाती है तो दैट इज एन अल्कोहल मोनोहाइड्रिक। अगर 2 हो जाए तो डाइहाइड्रिक है और 3 हो जाए तो ट्राइहाइड्रिक है। इसी तरह से प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी अल्कोहल्स को हम किस तरह से डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं थ्योरेटिकल तो हम पढ़ चुके हैं, पर आज हम सबसे पहले अल्कोहल्स की डिटेक्शन और उसके बाद हम प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी अल्कोहल्स को किस तरह से डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं। देयर आर 5 टेस्ट फॉर द डिटेक्शंस ऑफ द टेस्ट फॉर अल्कोहल्स। Number 1 is the sodium metal test. इसमें what you have to do? Just take a dry test tube, add 1 ml of the given compound and 1 gram of the anhydrous calcium sulfate.
And forceps. Procedure. Take a small
See,
quantity of
the same thing I am doing.
in the test tube. To this, add a small quantity of anhydrous calcium sulfate using a spatula. Shake the test tube
Shake well
to remove any water
to remove
content in the
water.
organic compound. Filter the contents
Filter
into
or
another
decant
clean,
of the
dry
liquid
test tube.
to another clean
Take a
dry
small
test
piece of
tube
sodium metal using
and
the
add a
forceps
small
placed on
piece
a
of
filter
sodium
paper.
metal.
Dry sodium metal by pressing it between the folds of the filter paper. Now, put the dry piece of sodium into the organic
What do you see?
compound using the
The
forceps.
brisk
Alcohol
effervescence
reacts with active
due to the
metals like
liberation
sodium
of
to produce
hydrogen
effervescence
gas.
due to the liberation of hydrogen gas.
This is the first test for the detection of alcohol.
Materials
Second
required.
is the
Organic compound, glacial acetic acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, cold water, test tube, droppers,
ester test.
and water
To the
bath.
given compound,
Procedure. Take a small quantity of organic compound in the test tube.
add
This
1
add a
ml of the
small
glacial
quantity of
acetic
glacial
acid,
acetic acid using a dropper.
2-3 drops
Using
of the
another
concentrated
dropper, add a few
H2SO4.
drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube.
Warm the mixture
Warm the mixture in a water
in a
bath
water
for few
bath
minutes.
for about 10
Now,
minutes.
pour the mixture into about 20 milliliters
Pour it
of
into
cold water
about
taken in a
220
beaker
ml
and
of the
stir it
cold
while
water
wafting. Alcohol
in a
reacts
beaker
with
and then you
carboxylic acid
smell.
in the presence of
There is a
concentrated sulfuric
fruity
acid
smell
to form a fruity
which indicates the
smelling
presence
compound
of an
called esters.
alcoholic group.
Seric
Third is
ammonium
the
nitrate
seric
test.
ammonium test.
Materials required.
Take
Organic
about
compound.
1 ml of the given compound in a clean dry test tube.
Test
Add a
tube
few
and
drops of
dropper.
seric ammonium nitrate
Procedure.
reagent
Take a small
and
quantity
shake
of
well.
seric ammonium nitrate reagent using the dropper.
Formation of
Add it into the test tube containing a small quantity of organic
pink or red
compound.
color confirms
Shake
the
test tube well.
presence of alcoholic
Alcohol reacts with seric ammonium
group in the
nitrate
given
to give a
compound.
red coloration due to the formation of alkoxy.
Next is the acetyl chloride test.
Acetyl chloride test. Materials required.
Take about 2 ml of the given
Organic
compound in a clean dry
anhydrous
test
calcium
tube.
sulfate,
Add
acetyl
anhydrous
chloride,
calcium sulfate.
ammonium hydroxide,
Shake well.
test tubes,
Filter the filter and to the filtrate
funnel,
add 2 or 3 drops of acetyl chloride and bring a glass rod dipped
take a
in
small
ammonium
quantity of organic
hydroxide.
compound in a test tube. To
That
this,
is an
add a
ammonia
small
solution
quantity of anhydrous
near the
calcium
mouth of the
sulfate
test
using a
tube.
spatula.
आप देख रहे हैं वही चीज़ें की जा रही हैं जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया है.
Content in the organic compound. Filter the contents into another clean dry test tube. Using a dropper, add a small quantity of acetyl chloride into the
एसिटाइल
compound.
क्लोराइड आपने डाला है CH3COCl.
Well, alcohol reacts with acetyl chloride to give hydrogen chloride.
Formation of white fumes indicates the presence of alcoholic group.
Hydroxide solution and bring it over the mouth of the test tube. The hydrogen chloride reacts with ammonium
When you add the
hydroxide
ammonium
to form white
hydroxide
fumes
into
of
it.
ammonium chloride.
Next is the iodoform test.
Materials
It
required.
is given by the acetaldehyde,
Organic
all
compound,
methyl ketones
1%
and all
dilute solution,
alcohols
dilute
containing
sodium hydroxide,
CH3CHO group.
test tube, droppers, and water bath.
You will take 1 ml of the given
Procedure.
compound in a clean
Take a
dry
small
test tube
quantity of organic
and
compound in a
add
test tube.
about
To
1
this, add a
ml
small
of the
quantity
1%
of 1%
iodine
dilute
solution.
using a dropper.
Then add
Then add
dilute annual
sodium
solution
hydroxide
drop-wise until the brown
discharged.
color of iodine
Warm the
is
mixture gently on a
discharged.
water bath.
Warm
When
gently
alcohol
on a
containing
water bath.
CH3CH
There will be a
group is warmed
yellow
with sodium
precipitate
hydroxide
which
solution and
indicates
a yellow precipitate of
it may be
iodoform
ethanol,
is formed.
acetaldehyde, secondary methyl alcohol
test.
or methyl ketone. Last test is the
required.
Lucas test,
Primary,
which
secondary,
distinguish
and
between
tertiary
the
alcohols,
primary,
Lucas
secondary
heat,
and tertiary
dropper,
alcohols.
and water bath.
The alcohol is treated with the Lucas reagent, which is the equimolar mixture of HCl and zinc chloride. Alcohols जो होते हैं वो soluble होते हैं. On reaction, alkyl chlorides are formed and which being insoluble result in the cloudiness. अगर तो cloudiness एकदम से आ जाती है तो it means tertiary alcohol है. If cloudiness appears within 5 minutes, secondary alcohol is indicated. And if the cloudiness appears only upon heating, primary alcohol is indicated. So today we have done 2 practicals regarding alcohols. One to detect the alcoholic group and the second one is to distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol.
Now add a small quantity of Lucas reagent into primary alcohol.
ये 1 डिग्री में है. आप देखो हीट करेंगे तब इसमें क्लाउडीनेस आएगी.